Hi, you guys. This is Kiki, owner of Self Care Apparel, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, y'all, we are going to talk about my products. Um, as y'all know, TikTok has been uh taking a hit, and I was promoting back and forth to TikTok to Instagram and a little bit on YouTube. So now I'm coming back to do it. This is our winter collection. This is the hot cocoa addition to our collection. Um, I have a lot of these, and I need them gone. Hold on, let me not struggle in front of y'all. Let me show y'all to work some magic. So no, it doesn't stain your eyes. I said stain your eyes. Oh my god, y'all! It doesn't stain your skin. This is our lotion, and this is y'all get in a cute little bag like this. Now, I have those, and I have my mystery bags. But we are moving on to Valentine's Day, and I got a little bit of bracelets. Let me see. Hold up. Cause I made bracelets and I made charm bracelets. I'm trying to get the charm bracelets out of the way of the regular bracelets. So here's the V-Day collection bracelets. Okay. All right. And here go the charm bracelets. I'm not done yet with the charm because it's going to be more of these. But I do want to show y'all a little bit of them. This is a charm bracelet. It comes with multiple charms. Charm bracelet. Regular charm bracelets. Comes with single. Let me know if y'all want this as a set in the comments. The regular, a lot of charms. Let me know if y'all want this as a set, and I will sell them as a set, or I will sell them as individual. And you can buy all them individual or all them as a set. I don't know yet, and these are limited edition because it's Valentine's Day, and it's just only for Valentine's Day. So let me know, you guys, in the comment section if you want these as sets, well as the multiple charms as set, and as well as the single charms as a set like this, and as a set like this, and I was something like that. Let me know. And this exclusive video, you guys, I just want to come up here and tell y'all that I'm coming back to promote my business on here. So some days I am going to be talking about my products and I'm going to be promoting them. Some days I'm gonna have videos where we make stuff, and oh yeah, and oh yeah, and all y'all. So excuse me. Also, I just woke up. Like, oh my god, I just woke up. So yeah, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.